What's up, guys? Today is all about the meat. We're talking about Carnivore Club. Now, Carnivore Club is a monthly artisan meat club. You guys know there's a million clubs. Anything you like, there's a club for it. You can get it sent right to your door. Carnivore Club is something I've done a couple times in the past. I know I've done a video on it at least once. Someone recently sent me these boxes. There's two older boxes, which we'll take a quick look at, and then we're gonna do an unboxing of this, and then I'm gonna take some select meats and set them aside, and later in the future I'm going to do a taste test video for you guys. Now, their prices vary depending on what you want. They have like a snack box, I think it's $25 a month, and there's the regular ones where $40 a month. There's coupon codes all over the place. Sometimes you go to the website, something will pop up, you get something free, so there's deals definitely to be had. I would certainly recommend searching for them, see what kind of discounts you can get. But anyway, again, the idea here is it's basically a monthly club with some really nice meats in it. All right, so what's really cool about these, and it looks like it's still the same, is they have our meat menu. All right, so when you open the box, not only see the stuff, but you have a very nice breakdown of each individual item. All right, so you can pause the screen there to read that if you want. All right, as well as a nice little colored picture to show you what it's looking like. All right, so it really kind of pumps you up for the meal or the snack, depending on what it happens to be for you. But I mean, just really interesting stuff. I've always, obviously, I'm a foodie. I enjoy all kinds of food, but I do like unique foods. I love going to an Italian deli and just getting like genuine supersada, getting genuine dried sausages, some different salamis, things like that. So this is basically the same experience. It just gets shipped to you, which is kind of nice. But as you can see, I mean, serving sizes, this stuff goes a long way. This is an awesome thing if you happen to be having company over. All right, so really, really nice. As far as this box, I'm probably going to take one of these. How about the, let's see, smoked salami sticks or chorizo smoked stick? I think I'm going with the chorizo. So we're gonna set this aside, all right, for a future video. Now, besides the boxes, they also sent two individual pieces here, all right? So we have Rustico wine and garlic salami, which sounds awesome. It's also quite soft as well. Not mushy like cheese or anything, just on the softer side of salami. And then also a mild supersada. And as I mentioned, supersada is one of my favorites. All right, you can see that as well. And again, these are huge portions. All right, you can cut this into probably 30 or 40 slices. All right, especially if you're pairing it with crackers or cheese or something like that, it really goes a long way. Here's another box, and again, these are just previous months, just to get an idea of the variety you might get. All right, so here's another menu. All right, so you can pause right there if you want. All right, look at that picture. Man, this is making me hungry. So anyway, this I definitely want to set aside. So this is air-dried Wagyu beef. All right, so that sounds quite interesting. So we're gonna set this aside for a future taste test. And again, just taking a quick look at some of these things. I do remember a few of these, like this Nostrano. All right, this is a uncured pink peppercorn salami. I remember having this in the previous video. Let's see, what is this? This is the, here we go, Finicione. All right, probably not even close. But this is uncured fennel pollen salami. I remember this having a very distinctive flavor. All right, again, you can watch my old video on this stuff if you want to see me taste testing some of these. Again, supersada, which is a black pepper salami. Good stuff. And this, which also looks pretty interesting. This is a spicy dried salami. And I vaguely remember this one. I don't remember if this was, actually, I think I got a version of this that was almost like a paste. It was like a pate or a meat spread. All right, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. Something picante. All right, so now we're ready to try out one of the latest boxes. All right, got my little custom neck knife. All right, I showed in a previous video, which, by the way, I was asking the maker. He told me it was $10.95, but I asked him what the coating was. It looked like it was gun bluing, and he said, yes, it is gun bluing. And I think it is an awesome, awesome finish for a knife. Really cool. So anyway, let's zip on in here. Nicely done. So as you can see here, this is a snack box. All right. We got some snack stuff here, lots of jerky. So if you want to pause the screen right there, this is the breakdown of each one. All right, so it's a nice little description so you know what's going on. All right, so first we have some spicy beef jerky. All right, I don't think I've had this particular brand before. We have same company, we got barbecue. barbecue beef jerky. Beef bar, Island Teriyaki. That sounds interesting. Definitely a softer, you can kind of see it through there, a softer meat stick. We're going to save that for a taste test. What's this one? This one is cranberry. All right, definitely have to try that. Cranberry beef bar. Fruit and chia seeds. That is quite interesting. Mango habanero pork jerky. That sounds delicious. I've definitely had that combination for. Not from Golden Nest, that's this company. So that's brand new, we're gonna try that. And last one here is bourbon barbecue chicken jerky. Well, we're gonna try that one too. So let's leave these here. This is gonna be a taste test. So in a future video, I'm gonna try the chicken jerky, the pork jerky. We're gonna try, I guess, I don't really need to try that one. I definitely want to try this one though. That's definitely unique cranberry beef jerky, or beef bar. We're definitely gonna try this Wagyu beef. And last thing we're gonna try is the hardwood smoked chorizo sticks. Like I mentioned, I've done the Carnivore Club in the past. It's all been really good stuff. It's been top quality stuff. It's really just like all the other monthly subscription boxes. If you like trying new things, that's what it's all about. Obviously, you can go and just buy this stuff individually. You don't have to subscribe to a box to go get some beef jerky from the store. But if you're like me and you're constantly, having experiences, that's what I think life's about, is trying new things all the time. It's something you might want to look into. It actually brings up an interesting point. There's a lot of vegetarians these days. Clearly, if you're vegetarian, this needs not apply to you. But let me know down in the comments section if there's a vegetarian snack club or something similar to that, because I'm pretty sure there probably is. There's a club for everything these days, right? So anyway, if you guys have done the Carnivore Club before, let everyone know your experiences down in the comment section. And I thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with, you guessed it, a brand new video. What's it going to be? Who knows? Take care, guys.